Well, mine has to do with the lithium processing plant that we have just finished building by an investor that came from China. If you remember last year, we commissioned the 3,000 metric tons capacity lithium processing plant in Nasarawa local government. And during the period, another set of investors, because of how excited they were with the quality of lithium and the commercial deposit that they noticed, they said they were going to build a bigger one than that. So that bigger one, the people had fulfilled their promise. They have just concluded building it, and it is ready for commissioning. So they asked me to come and speak with the president and invite him. And Mr. President promised that on his return from his few days vacation, that he is traveling this week, he is going to come to Nasarawa to come and commission that particular project. So that's the major thing that brought me, and of course, you know, Nasarawa is doing a lot in the area of agriculture, and Mr. President is always happy to hear the progress that we have made. Recently, the Minister of Agriculture visited us, you know, where he came all the way to the farm along with us, and so we briefed Mr. President about that and asked for more intervention, you know, for Nasarawa State in order to see how we can grow the farm to the full-fledged 10,000 hectares of land that we have at the moment. So that's the reason why I came. Okay,
let's say I was just driving past your state on Monday, and I was asked a question I just feel I should put to you. This is the second half of your administration, and it appears you have a very deep passion for delivering infrastructure. What's your conviction?
Well, there are two reasons. The first reason being there has been significant amount of revenue improvement, you know, as a result of the reforms, economic reforms taken by Mr. President, including the unification of the FX, foreign exchange, as well as the withdrawal of the subsidy. So with the huge improvement that we have seen, we came with the passion, you know, to ensure that we go ahead and do that. So that's the reason why, instead of borrowing from the banks, you know, we are now utilizing the improved resources that we have. And that's why you see the massive thing. You only saw life here because you keep going only through life here. But if you go to the rural areas, you will see a lot of development there. And then there are, you know, unseen developments that we have done so much. For instance, we just finished recruiting 781 teachers. You know, people will not see that as development, but that is the foundation of our education. We built a skill acquisition center that both MBTE and NECA are training a lot of people there. That is also an unseen area that a lot of people will not see. So those are the kinds of development we are doing, including empowerment and the rest of that. So health, you know, education, people do not see those ones because they are not physical development, but the non-physical development that we have are also many.
Can you tell us the capacity of the lithium plant about commission?
It's 6,000. It is twice the size of the other one that was commissioned last year.
Sir, on the political touch, do you think anyone can see President Tinubu come next election?
I don't know which state that you are talking about.
Nasarawa State. Nasarawa State in focus and Nigeria at large.
By the grace of God, in Nasarawa State, we do not see anything like that because Nasarawa has never in history seen the kind of development we are seeing. The people have not seen the type of empowerment that we are doing at the moment. The people have not seen the level of improvement in education that they have seen. And so the people of Nasarawa State have absolutely no reason why to vote against President Asuwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. And because I have the opportunity of going to so many other states, if you go from one state to the other, you continue to see that. And let me now tell you that I'm vindicated, you know, as far as Kaduna is concerned. I was talking to some of you guys last year, you know, that by the grace of God, from what we see from southern Kaduna that has converted completely into APC, any election going on in Kaduna, APC will win it. And you have just seen the by-election that happened. So at least some of us are vindicated.
Thank you very much.